Hi friends, this is the other poem, The Death of the Hired Man. This one also was written by Robert Frost. Okay friends, this poem nearly 19 stanzas. It comprises narrative poem. Okay, you just watch these lines. Just I will explain what is the summary of the death of the hired man. Okay. Okay. Nice. This poem is very popularity of the death of the hired man. This poem is written by Robert Frost, a great American poet. The death of the hired man is a long narrative poem. Just I have said to you, it has nearly 19 stanzas, and it has been written like in long narrative poem about death and the subsequent guilt also. It also first published in 1914. The poem speaks about a poor ex-employee who left his owners at an inappropriate time, making a return during his miserable condition. It also illustrates how the cold response of his master becomes the reason for his death. The poem also talks about forgiveness and the impact of power. Here characters also there. Here one character is Warren and his wife Mary character, and here ex-employee name is Silas. So let us see that what is it has given the summary. Okay, you just you just watch this poem. If you want to need this poem, you have to take a screenshot. Okay, right. So the death of the hired man as a representative of death. Okay. The poem accounts for the unfortunate death of a poor man. He dies helplessly at his master's farm. The poem begins with the conversation of a rural couple. The wife Mary tells her husband Warren that their ex-worker has returned asking for forgiveness. Mary wants her husband to forgive the poor farmhand, whereas Warren does not want to take him back, as he always has disappointed them. Mary constantly tries to convince her husband, saying Silas is in a miserable state and has come to us to die. Since Warren has not seen Silas during his illness, he is still angry over the commitment Silas broke in the past. He simply does not want to give him a second chance to a man who has already broken his trust. The lady, on the other hand, he does not give up and eventually convinces her husband to make the poor man in. Unfortunately, when Warren goes to receive Silas, he is already dead. So the poet wants to convey that one should forgive others in time. Okay friends, have you understood what is the summary of the story? Okay, here some major themes also there. Let us see that what are the major themes. Here major themes mainly we have to say about power, death, forgiveness and guilt. These four themes also major themes of this poem, and the major themes and the poem revolves around the subject of the poor farmhand who broke his contract in the past and left his master's farm in the time of need. It stated he makes a return, but his authoritative master refuses to accept him. However, the kind of lady takes pity on his miserable condition and convinces her husband to let go of the things he had once done. Unfortunately, the master takes too much time to decide the fate of his ex-employee. He dies helplessly in the farm. Guilt remains the core of the poem. The poor man perhaps comes back because of the guilt that he had been dishonest to his masters in the past. When he intends to rectify his error, the authoritative nature of mankind hides his way. Warren, on the other hand, also remains guilt-ridden when he finds the man dead in the property. So guys, this is the summary of the lesson poem The Death of the Hired Man. So now let us see the literary devices here. Literary devices also are given here. So see here, literary devices are tools represented to writers' ideas, feelings and emotions also are given. And Robert Frost has also used plenty of literary devices in this poem. So let us see this here. Assonance. Assonance is a repeated vowel sounds. Assonance is the repeated vowel sounds. Let us see here. A sound. A sound. For example, and set them on the porch and drew him down on the sound of oo. Okay. And nothing to look backward to with pride. Okay. Alliteration. Alliteration also, a rival consonant, repetition of consonant sounds. Here consonant sounds also will be given. Why? Because this is the narrative poem as well as given sounds also. Waiting for Warren. War sound will be repeated 2 times here, and the tha sound will be repeated when he begins like that there someone at him. Okay, la sound also will be given. He studied Latin like a violin. Latin like a violin. Okay. Okay. Adjournment. This is also other sound, other literary devices. This means it is defined as a thought in verse that does not come to an end at a link break. For example, Silas has better climb on us to think. Okay, right. So this is the entire poem, nearly 19 poems there. It has given like narration type. An imaginary sense also there. Imaginary sense refers to here. It is used to make readers perceive things involving their 5 senses. For example, she took the market things from Warren's arms, slipped to her side, caught up her hand and waited. Okay, this is the imaginary sense. Rhetorical questions also will be there. Rhetorical questions, this means for example, yes, what else but how, but whom? What would you have him say? And then symbolisms also will be given. Symbolisms also there. Symbolisms to signify ideas and qualities, giving them symbolic meanings that are different from the literal meanings. Death of the poem and symbolizes the dark aspect of human nature or lack of forgiveness by themselves or the other person. So guys, this is the entire poem. Okay, if you want to see this one, you take screenshot and learn well. This is a summary of the poem. If you have any doubts, you give the comment box.